Good evening, Sneha.
Good
Your,
evening, sir.
your interview will be in Delhi on 4th of June. So when is the interview in Delhi starting? Any idea?
Mm, No, I don't have any idea, sir, about it.
That is okay, fine. Now, can you please tell us about yourself?
First of all, good evening, sir. I am Sneha Mehra. I am from Delhi. I have completed my class 12th in commerce stream, and I am BCom honors graduate of the University of Delhi.
Hmm,
And after completing my graduation, I started preparing for insurance and banking exam.
hmm,
And I love to go on long walk whenever I get time. I
hmm,
am a self-motivated, goal-oriented, hardworking person and
hmm,
having good listening skills, which is an essential part of a communication.
hmm,
In my family, we are four siblings, three sisters and one brother. Two of
hmm,
my sisters are married. I am the youngest one. I live with my mother and my brother.
hmm,
My mother is a homemaker.
hmm.
That's all.
Good. What is your brother doing?
He's searching for a job.
Very good. Now, how did you prepare for this examination, this United India Insurance examination? What are the things you studied? How did you prepare for ensuring success?
Well, after graduation, I started preparing for both banking and insurance. So this helped me to clear this exam. And the preparation of banking and insurance are quite similar. So I sailed through the
How,
examination.
did you join some institute for preparing it, or how did you do it?
Uh, from YouTube,
Acha. You learned.
there are free classes there and
Mhm,
some practicing questions from material books and some online questions are also there.
mhm. Can you please tell me what all you know about insurance industry? Hello.
Insurance is a
Yeah.
growing industry.
Hmm. Tell me. Excuse me.
Yes, sir.
What happened? Why you are not speaking?
Sir, like insurance industry is, sir, I don't know the answer.
Why? I think I have shared this earlier also. I have shared this question in the material given to you also. The question is India about insurance industry. If you search like that in Chat GPT or any such thing, you will get a lot of ideas about this. Are you seeing on the screen?
Sir, I am not able to see the screen.
This is a very important question, Sneha.
Yes, sir.
Now, please read this. The in fact, this is a very important thing. So what I will do, I please read this, or
The insurance
or
industry in
or
India is
maybe
a
or
rapid.
maybe we will read it after the after your mock interview. Now
Yes.
see only the headings: structure of the Indian industry, types of insurance, life insurance, non-life insurance, public versus private, growth and penetration, then digital transformation, product innovation, health insurance, regulatory environment, IRDAI, recent reforms, key challenges, regulatory hurdles, then fraud and claims management, competition, pricing, pressure. These are the headings in which it has to be covered. Okay. We will
Yes,
come
sir.
to that later. I will ask you to read this so that we will make a video on this. Now, I was preparing some questions. This is a very basic question about insurance industry. Now, if you can't answer this, how are you going to answer my second question? Why do you want to join insurance industry? Excuse me,
Sir.
Sneha.
Yes, sir.
I think you are having some complex, that is, you are having lot of fear in your mind. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
ये फियर रखने से कैसे होगा जी? जब एक आदमी नौकरी के लिए जा रहे हैं उनके लिए तो बिल्कुल ज्यादा कॉन्फिडेंस चाहिए. आपने खाली रास्ता में भी जाना पड़ेगा और ट्रैफिक रास्ता में भी जाना पड़ेगा. अच्छा आदमी से मिलना पड़ेगा, बुरा आदमी से मिलना पड़ेगा. दैट इज दुनिया. सो इसीलिए
Yes, sir.
आपको कॉन्फिडेंट लेवल तो अच्छा होना चाहिए. समझ गया?
Yes, sir.
Now, can you answer me this question? Why do you want to join in insurance industry?
Sir, I am quite passionate about this sector, and I wanted to learn a lot. I heard a lot that is really very good sector. It helps people. Uh, it helps people, and it offers a really very good career opportunity and a really very good career growth.
Hmm.
And I am also passionate to join to learn something new and
Hmm.
to utilize my skills that I have. I am
Hmm.
a punctual person, which is also required to be
Hmm.
a quality which is required to be there.
Hmm. Good. Then, come on. Okay. Now, what is NPV and its usage in terms of NPV in terms of insurance? Any idea?
No, sir.
Net present value. In the case of, it comes in the case of, say, mutual funds. Net present value is the difference between the present value of cash inflows and the present value of cash outflows over a period of time. NPV is used in capital budgeting and investment planning. So what I am telling is different. Um, what I told you is net asset value, NAV. So this is NPV. NPV is the result of calculations that find the current value of a future stream of payments using the discount rate. In general, projects with a positive NPV are worth undertaking, while those with negative NPV are not. Net present value is used to calculate the current value of future stream of payments from a company or a project or investment. To calculate NPV, you need to estimate the timing and amount of future cash flows and pick a discount rate equal to the minimum acceptable rate of return. The discount rate may reflect your cost of capital or the returns available on alternative investments. If the NPV of a project is positive, it means its rate of return will be above the discount rate. ये वाला पढ़ना है. Cash flow divided by 1 plus I. I is equal to required return or discount rate. T is equal to number of time periods minus initial investment. ये थोड़ा तकलीफ है, इस तो आप पढ़ के मन में रखना है, ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
They have asked this question on 8th January 2024. Miss Sneha,
Yes, sir.
did you go through this question paper or not? I have given you, na? NIACL AO
Maybe
interview.
I skipped this.
How can you skip this, yaar? Huh? How can you skip this? It is coming within the first 7th page or so. Now, tell me what is unexpired risk reserve? Unexpired risk reserve. So I think you would have skipped this also, because this page you think you have not studied. Unearned premium reserve means the amount set aside for premiums returned before accounting date to cover the risk incurred after that date. Unexpired risk reserve means the reserve required to cover the claims and expenses which are expected to emerge from an unexpired period of cover. So this page you have not studied. I will go to another page. Can you tell me what is e-commerce?
E-commerce is buying and selling of goods and services online.
Okay, what is Motor Vehicle Act? MV Act. What is Motor Vehicle Act? You are not prepared for this, correct?
Yes, sir.
Motor Vehicle Act is an act of Parliament of India which regulates all aspects of road transport vehicles. The act provides in detail the legislative provisions regarding licensing of drivers, conductors, registration of motor vehicles. So this page we have to study later on. We will take it up. Now, do you know about Motor Accident Claim Tribunal? You don't know, correct?
Yes, sir.
What did you study? I don't know. I have given you all this. You could have prepared for all these things by yourself. Why did you not prepare? Okay, what is claim in insurance? What is claim
Claim.
in insurance?
Claim is a request made to an insurance company to pay the amount
Mm,
according to the terms of the insurance
mm,
by the beneficiaries or the insured person.
mm. Okay, you covered 50%. 50% answer has not come. You will have to mention claim is an occasion where a person has taken insurance over a particular property that is incurring damage, and that results in it being repaired, for which he makes a claim to the insurance company. The claimer will have to submit documents that are required for that. For example, if it is life insurance, the nominee has to submit the claim along with the death certificate of the insurance policy holder. If the claim is for, say, motor vehicle accident, then he has to submit a photo of the accident and the valuation of the accident made by the insurance authorities, that is inspectors, then the estimate for the damages to be incurred for that, and all that he has to submit to the insurance company. Based on merits of the case, the claim will be recognized. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, can you tell me what are your hobbies?
I love to go on long walks whenever I get time. Just do some exercise.
Good.
Long walk is a really very good exercise. It improves the cardiovascular health and also provides mental peace.
But which place do you walk? Where do you stay in Delhi?
Near Janakpuri.
Acha, acha. Do you have grounds where you can walk, or you have to walk on the roads only?
They nearby there is a park. I go
That's
there.
very good. That's a good thing. Will you take posting to Chennai?
Yes, sir. I will take posting to the Chennai if there is and I'm able to adapt to any environment
Mm,
and I know the basic survival skills, so it is not difficult for me to live there in Chennai.
mhm.
And that's all.
Which subject was your favorite subject in commerce?
Accounts.
Acha.
I loved all the subjects.
But you like
They were
accounts more.
all the subjects were like new, don't relate to each other, and each and everyone have their specific advantages and specific importance.
Can you name a few subjects you studied in the final year?
Financial accounting, auditing,
Mm, mm, that's all.
principal management accounting was there.
Mm,
No, management accounting was there, auditing was there,
mm,
entrepreneurship, there was a subject
mm,
like this that was also there,
mhm,
and application of mathematics in account
mhm,
in business, it was also there.
mhm,
Computer was also there,
mhm,
application of computer in trading.
mhm.
There is a subject called like this, not exactly this.
Yeah. Now, good. There are so many subjects you have told me. Uh, please talk on some topics you are telling, very interesting ones. Can you repeat what you said?
There was entrepreneurship, management accounting, auditing, in, and application of computer in business. There was it was a practical based subject in which we have to do something, some practicals in computer. It was like this.
Mm.
It was more of a practical subject.
Then
Then there is a mathematics related subject, mathematics
mm,
applications in business.
next.
That's all I said.
Mhm. Which one can you talk on for 2 minutes? Excuse me.
Entrepreneurship,
Okay,
entrepreneurship,
please talk on that for 2 minutes.
entrepreneurship is a subject which tells us how to start a business on your own. And there are some principles of for the same. It tells us that how other it lets us study how other e-commerce and other businesses have started from zero. And by giving those example, it helps us to learn how to start our own business on our own,
Mm, that's all.
the risk factors we are going to face, and the
Mm,
how to how to take the profit out of the same.
mm. This
There were
is,
so many things to learn.
yeah. Are you satisfied with the answer you gave?
No, sir.
Yeah, 1 minute. I'll stop this.